All right, the masterpiece, Fay Pentere. Beautiful painting. We finally got this framed. This beautiful artist, this lovely lady has managed to frame this gorgeous masterpiece. And I can't wait to hang it on my walls. Well, let's take that back. On a wall. Oh, either way. Unbelievable. Something else. Artwork and culture. Oh, can't wait to show family. Amazing. Oh, and this lovely individual, so skilled in her craft, wired this thing beautifully. Look at that amazing knot. Oh, you sure learn a lot from great people, don't you? Look at that. Stunning. What are you supposed to do with this? But yes. Anyway, enough of that. This is art, culture, heritage. This lovely lady's amazing skill set. And this is what you get. So happy. Smiling. Can't wait to put this on my walls. And we'll end with that.